can see it from the back. Go, baby.
Got to begin with another one, y'all. Getting tatted. He getting tatted. He getting tatted. His new ones he got. By any means, y'all see it. Yep. Cat tattoo. See, that bitch is happy. Okay. His period. Watch how many times I show that arm. Cause yeah. Okay, guys. From here, you see on out. It's really nothing else going on. It's just us. Well, me showing you the shop and what's really going on. Nothing. Yeah, you know, fixing my little good hair, my little nose ring, you know, looking cute and stuff. Getting ready for him to actually apply the I don't know what it's called, the paper or whatever on my arm, so you guys can see the finished thing. Yeah. Okay, now it's really just nothing. Now I'm just getting my tattoo. He talking about his.
The only thing that hurt yesterday was
yes. I'm actually cute on him too. It's fine. So, and yeah, really nothing. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell, and yeah, be ready for some more shit too.